Hello guys, so guys, we are about to eat. We are about to go down with another prank. Guess what prank I'm doing on my husband? I'm doing the longest eyelash prank on him. Guys, you know I'm not fan of makeup and I don't do makeup. So in today's video, I'm going to put on these eyelashes. It's so long for my liking. So I'm gonna put it on and then we will see how he's going to react when I am on the dining table eating with him. So guys, yeah, let's do this. Guys, I think my husband is going to freak out. He's surely going to freak out. So let's do this, okay? So guys, now I am seated. I'm waiting for Poppy to come. He was putting Lucas to sleep, so if he comes, the video begins. So I hope he notice, or I don't know. So let's see if he's going to notice this witchcraft. So yeah, I'm waiting for him. So 1, 2, 3, 4 guys. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you are new here, you are welcome. If you are our old subscriber, you are welcome. Guess what we are eating today? We are eating what, Poppy?
We are eating fried potatoes with fried
beef.
Yes, beef.
And pepper. I have my mayonnaise here, yes. So we're gonna add it later. Yes. So before we start eating, let us pray. Thank you, Almighty Lord, for this food. I pray that anyone watching us, you bless them in Jesus' mighty name. We pray. Amen. So guys, come join us and let's eat this delicious food. Me, I'm going to use my hands though. So because if you use your hands, it tastes better, you know. It tastes better. Oh.
Even water, guys.
Why are you laughing?
What is it?
What's what? Why are you laughing at?
What is it?
You are laughing at my eyelash. Baby, you are not serious at all.
What have you put on your eye?
Are you okay?
How do you see this lady?
How do they see me? How do they see this lady? Seriously. Baby, why? How I shit my pants?
Eat. Shit in your pants.
You're not serious. Guys, do I look funny?
Guys, I never seen this before. You look like a vampire. Vampire.
What is vampire?
You don't even know vampire. You don't know vampire.
Now vampire, you say vampire. You are laughing at me and you are making mistake, right? Stop that. Guys, maybe you're ruining the video now. Don't I look beautiful?
Like a dead body. I'm sorry, guys.
I'm looking like a dead body. Hey, babe. Because of I've put on these beautiful, cute eyelashes, you are telling me I look like dead body. Fine case.
I'm sorry, guys.
Keep laughing. Let me eat my
I'm not
food.
afraid of you.
What?
You look like a vampire or dead body. Like you will lay on bed.
I look like a vampire in dead body.
Don't you see yourself?
I wear these beautiful eyelashes for
This
you.
is beautiful for you. Is it beautiful for you? Guys, judge it.
Keep laughing. I don't care. Oh my god, I look cute. Guys, I look so cute. Trust me, I'm so beautiful. Wow. This eyelashes is the best. Guys, drop your comment. What do you Baby, why are you laughing? Why do you keep...
I'm sorry, guys. You look beautiful like a dead body.
Stop calling me dead body. I'm not dead, I'm alive. Okay?
Oh, vampire.
I will eat the food for you. Stay there and laugh.
So now you are doing your eyes and lips. Are you a vampire? Are you a vampire?
I'm not a vampire, I'm a vampire now.
You are a vampire. So you want to show me, right? You lie.
Guys, these days, this is how I'm gonna look. I'm gonna brand myself with these eyelashes, okay? I'm gonna put on the long...
Why are you blinking your eyes like this?
It's my eye. Is it yours?
Vampire. Because you are a vampire, right?
Can you stop calling me vampire? Don't I look cute?
Don't touch me. Hey. And I'm vampire.
I did not touch you. See me. Don't I look cute?
Don't look at me.
You're overreacting. Stop it.
Vampire.
Keep calling me. Ah, baby, what's that?
It's more than vampire. What it is?
I say it's eyelashes. If you don't like, stop.
Eye what?
Lashes.
This eyelash they use it for the dead bodies or vampires.
Can you stop calling me dead bodies?
But you look like them. How do you see her? Sorry, guys.
I'm really admiring myself.
Admire yourself.
Why? Can't I admire I've wear this beautiful eyelash. You are not even
You
praising
look
me.
like my water. My water. Do you know my water?
And you are
You look
Papa
like my
Water.
water.
And you are Papa Water.
Why you my water? Hey.
You said I look like Mama. So I'm reacting as Mama Water.
So you my water, right? Hey. Hey. Don't you think you are swimming in the water?
I'm swimming in the me and Mama Water. Thank you. Thank you for calling your wife Mama Water.
You are my water, tell me you.
And you are Papa Water.
But your behavior look like my water. I mean, you know my water, right? Because you are one of them. Or one of her
Her daughters, right?
daughter. Yeah, of course.
That's why I marry you. I marry you because I want to take you to the
Hey,
underwater.
please, I need a divorce. Please, I need divorce.
My heart. Usual.
I don't even know. Now you will tell me. I need divorce. Guys, I need divorce. Oh. No, don't touch me, please. No. You move your hands on my waist. No, don't touch me, please. No. I need divorce, guys.
I'm taking you to my mother.
Don't even touch me with the
under
body.
the sea.
Don't even touch me with the body. No.
I'm taking you to see my mother. Mama
What
made.
mother?
Mama made. So don't run away.
Remember something. I have remembered something.
You remember?
I have remembered something.
So my mom says I should bring you.
Now we say the truth. So you are my mother. I don't even know. Oh, Jesus. Save me.
Jesus will not save you. We are married. What do you think?
Oh,
You are married to my mother.
I'm married to my mother.
You are not
I
living.
need divorce. I
You
will call
need-
your family. No, leave me. Don't touch me. Oh, yeah. Leave me alone. I don't want that. Leave me. No, leave me. Leave me.
Baby, some.
So what now?
So you are leaving me. You are saying you are leaving me as a prank.
No, you are my mother. Or my
Guys.
sorry, my mother daughter.
I'm even crying. My husband is funny. So if you wear eyelashes, you are mommy water. Because this is the longest eyelashes I've ever seen. Or there are others that are longer than this. Guys, drop your comment. My husband says I'm mommy water. So where do you think you were going?
Don't you think you look like my mother?
I say it's a prank. That's why I wear this. I just wanted to see how you're gonna react when
So
you
you are
see me.
pranking me?
Yes. I told you it's a prank now. So why were you even laughing? Guys, you see Mami Water. And I was just acting up like a Mami Water because you
Are you
said
sure?
Mami Water means mermaid. So if you don't know, Mami Water means mermaid. And I'm trying to act up like that. And you are scared, you are cold, you are running away. Can you
I
imagine?
have to be scared.
Because of this eyelash.
Of course. Still, I'm not clear.
You are not You'll be clear.
I'm not clear.
You'll be clear, guys. I'm done eating with this. I'm done here. I'm done.
No, me too, I'm done, baby.
I'm full. So, guys, what do you think? What do you think about this prank? Drop your comments. What do you think about this video? Drop your comments. Does this eyelashes look good on me? Please drop your comment because it looks so weird. Like,
So
yeah. So guys, this is where we're gonna be ending today's video. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to
subscribe,
like and then share. See you on our next upload. Bye.